Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have here another fun project that I have made, and it's a loaded pocket using your 4x6 journaling cards. I do have a lot, I have a lot of these 4x6 cards here, and I'm sure a lot of you crafters probably have a lot of this in their stash as well. These were either sent to me in Happy Mail or from my swap partners. I've also purchased them myself, and I've just been collecting them and accumulated a lot of these cards. But I've never actually used them. I just like to collect them. But I have seen other crafters out there where they have made flip books out of these 4x6 cards. But what I did was I made it into a loaded pocket instead, and so this is what I have come up with. So I made two, had a lot of fun, and all you need is you just need two journaling cards of the one, whichever one you like to do, and all you do is you have one as your backing, and then you grab your other journaling card and you just cut it in half at 2 inches, and your bottom one is the one that you will put in the front to create the pocket like that. And what you do is you just adhere some liquid glue to the side and adhere it to the front of your card. I prefer to use the liquid glue instead of the double-sided tape because it gives more room, and then all your goodies sometimes they get stuck on the tape, so I use the liquid glue instead. And that's really all I did. And once I've assembled the pocket, I just embellish the front, and at the back of the journaling card I put the envelope that you were going to send off to your recipient or pen pal, and that's where you put your note or your letter, extra goodies if you wanted to. So that was just another fun way to create another loaded pocket. So I'll just quickly show you what I've put in my loaded pocket, and then hopefully you can create one yourself with your journaling cards as well. And these are just perfect to send off as Happy Mail as it is, because you've got your all your goodies in here. You also have your letter, your mail tag if you wanted to, and you get to embellish it and add all the all your fun stuff that you want to send off to your recipient. So in my one, I'll just quickly show you in what I've got in these two pockets. I've just got some embellishments that's in a pack. It's got a what do you call it? An embellished tag that I've made. I've put in some I've cut some 3x3 paper that they could use, and I held that together with one of my altered paper clips. So that's what I've got in this one. I've also put it, I'll show you this one first. This is just some washi sample on a tag, and I use my decorative die to just give it a nice finish on the bottom. And this is just a pack of packaging envelopes and packaging, clear packaging for that they could use to put their goodies in, and I just held it all together with a belly band. And yes, and this is how the pocket looks like when I've assembled it together. So that's the back, and this is your front pocket. I just add some washi tape to the top here just to give it a more decorative look. You can also use your decorative scissors if you wanted to give it a decorative pattern, or your decorative dies if you wanted to. I added a eyelet and added this tassel using one of my dies to create this paper tassel. I'll put the link down below if you wanted to purchase this die. And that's the back. And that's just, I don't know if I just said it, that's the file die that I purchased by Kaisercraft. Yes, so that's this one. I'll put the rest of the stuff back in there later. This is the other one here. Similar style, just different pattern. I've got here Friends, it's a Friends die, and I raise it up with some foam with some foam, just to give it more of a dimension. And that's the back. They use a vellum envelope. This is another little envelope, and in there I've stamped created by, and then I can just add their information. There's a few in there that I could use. Okay, so there's just some banner dies that I put in there, some assorted die cuts. I've also got another embellishment pack in there, some more ephemera. This is also some more paper that I cut up, held with some with a paper clip. I put in a pack of envelopes that they can assemble themselves, and that's this envelope here that I've got at the back. I've also put in some mini file folders, and I made these using the envelope punch board, and that's the pocket. So that's the back. So very easy, and just another fun way to send a happy mail to your recipient. Or if you want to do a swap with somebody, this is just another quick and easy way to do a swap. Just using 2 journaling cards, and that's it. And you still get to put an envelope in there as well to add your note to your recipient, and another envelope for goodies, and just have fun with it. So that's my little project share with all of you, and I hope you enjoyed my video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope the lighting wasn't too bad because I'm filming this at night. So yes, leave a comment if you wanted to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.